Hello everybody, welcome to Salsal Academy. I'm Ali Awari, as you are an instructor and tutor of IGCSE. I hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to solve the rest of the exam paper of IGCSE. The previous part we have learned or actually solved this paper. Started from question 1 to question 9 in the previous part. So if you are new watcher or new one, I would like to ask you that please watch the first part. I will put the link here and then come watch this video. We are starting from question number 10. Okay, let's start it. Before they starting, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Question number 10. The regular polygon A, B and C meet at the point. The interior angles of the polygons are in the ratio A, B, C equal to 3 ratio 4 and 5. Show that the polygon C has twice the number of sides as polygon B. It means we should prove that the polynomial C that they intersect together will actually meet each other in the point where the number of sides of polygon C is 2 times or twice of number or side of polygon B. So how to prove this one? We start this. First, we use this ratio here, right? A ratio B ratio C equal to 3, 4, 5. 3 ratio 4 and ratio 2, 5. Then we how we should do this, or how we prove? First, we collect or add this ratio A plus B plus C equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 12. Then we find the value of B. Actually, it shows a degree, an angle. B is equal to 360 divided by 12 multiplied by the ratio of B. The ratio of B is 4 here. Multiplied by 4. As you know, the 360 is the amount of degree around the point. We have 360 around 1 point here. Then we simplify it. 1, 4, 3 times 4, 12, 1, 3, and 1, 3 is 12 with 0. So the value of B is 120 degrees. Then we find the value of C, the same, 360 divided by 12 multiplied by C. The ratio of C is 5. Here multiplied by 5. Then we simplify 1, 12 and 3 times of 12, 36. 3 multiplied by 5, 50 with 0. So the value of C is 150 degrees. And now we should prove that the number of sides C has twice or 2 times of B. Then we should use this formula. N multiplied by D is equal to N minus 2 multiplied by 180. N is the number of actually side. It's not clear. And this is the amount of degree of or interior angles. Actually, we have for B, actually D is the interior angle 120. We put here 120 equal to we multiply 180 multiplied by N, 180 N minus 2 multiplied by 180 360. Then we simplified this equation. 180 N minus we carry over 120 N equal to we carry over to the left side 360, change to positive 360. Then we subtract 180 minus 120, remains 60 equal to 360. Then we simplify it. 1 actually N remain here, N 16 and 6 times 36. So n is equal to 6. It means the number of sides that the polynomial b has 6 sides. Actually it's hexagonal. Then we find the number of sides for polygon C. Polygon C, here we can write n multiplied by d equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180. We use the same technique, or actually same formula. N is unknown or variable. D is, we calculate the interior angle of polygon C here, 150. We write here 150. 150 equal to, we multiply 180 n minus 2 times of 160, 360. Then we simplify 180 n minus, we carry over to the right side, minus 150 n equal to, carry the left side, 360. Then we subtract 180 minus 150, remain 30 n equal to 360. Then we simplify the 0 and 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3 times of 6. Then n is equal to 12. This is the number of sides that polynomial C. It's proved that polynomial C has twice number sides of polynomial B. This is the answer. Sorry, I'm a little sore throat, and actually I got a little flu. Voice is a little cracking. Sorry for this. Question number 11. A company sells items either on a website or in shops. The composite bar chart shows that the percentage of sales on the website and in shop for January, February, and March. This is actually the bar chart shows the downside, shows the sales for a website, and the upper side shows the sales in shops. And this side shows the percentage of sales. Here is the month. So this question has many parts. In part A, in April, 17 over 20 of the company's sales were on the website. On the grade, draw the bars for April. We should complete the bar for April. How to draw this one? Okay. First, it has a little calculation we should calculate, and after that we can draw the bar. First, we find the percentage sales of the company by website. We have 17 here, right? Percentage. So we have 17 over 20 multiplied by 100. Then we can simplify 0 by 0, 1, 2, and 5 times of 2 is 10. 5 multiplied by 7, 85, 25, and we have 3. 5 multiplied by 1, 5, and we have 3, 85%. So how we choose this actually percentage to the bar chart, we draw here. Also, because 85% is between 80 and 19, start from here, and we highlight this part. This is actually the bar chart that we draw for first part. This question has solved. Draw the bar for April. We have drawn. And next one, in February, the company had sales of 3.5 million. Work out the value of sale in shops in February. So we should find the amount of sale in shops in February. As you know, we have in the chart in February, and the percentage is 60% in website, and actually we come down from upper side. Here we mean 40% in shops. So we can find percentage of sales for shop. Here we have P is equal to 40% of the amount we have, 3.5 million. 3.5 million, we multiply it by 3.5, then we simplify 40%, it means 40 over 100 multiplied by 3.5. we simplify this 0 with the decimal point, and then we first multiply 4 times of 5, 20, we have 2, 4 times of 3, 12, we have 2, 14 over 100, then simplified, and 14 divided by 10, 1.5 millions. This is actually the amount of sales USA dollar in shops. Part B is solved, and we should here right answer. Then we come to part C. In May, the company had sales of 6 millions. In June, the company had sales of 5.5 million. In May, the company had sales of 6 million. In June, the company had sales of 7.5 millions. Find the percentage increase in sales from May to find. We should the percentage increased in May. So here, part C, we have 6 in May, and in June we have 7.5. We use this formula 7.5 minus 6 over 6 multiplied by 100. Then we calculate this one. 7.5 minus 6, 1.5 over 6 multiplied by 100%. Then we simplify it here. We had 0.0, and we directly simplify the decimal point. 15 over 60 multiplied by 100. Then simplified 115, and 4 15 times is 60. Then we simplified 1 4, 2 times 4 8, and 5 times 4 25. So the answer is 25%. It means the percentage increased in sales from May to June 25%. Part D. In 2024, the company had total sale of 52 million. This was an increase of 3% on the total sale for 2023. Work out the total in 2023. Total sales in 23. Okay. How to solve this one? So the total has 52 millions. This was increased 3% on the total of for 2023. How to solve this part? The total amount was actually 52, but the first percent is not here. We can hear x over x equal to 3%, 30%. We have 30%. Then we have 52 minus x over x. 30% actually 30 over 100. Then we simplify it, and we have 52 minus x over x 3 over 10. Then we use the cross multiplication. We have here 3 multiplied by 20, 500, 3 multiplied by 52, 520 minus 10x equal to 3x. Then we have 520 is equal to 10x plus 3x. We carry over 10x and change to positive. 520 equal to 13x. Then we divide both sides by 13. Here simplified directly, remain x. Usually the unknown variable right in the left side. 13 and 4 times of 13 is 52. So The total sale in 23 was actually 40 millions. This is the answer. It means, I explain this part, the company sell in 2023 40 million and sell in the 2024, means the next year 52 millions. Actually 30% increased their sales. So this is the fourth part of this question. It was a little long. Now we start question number 12. Question number 12 is very easy. We have x over 4 plus 3x over 8 minus x plus 2 over 12. If we should simplify it, we write a single fraction in its simplest form. We simplify it, we take common denominator between 4, 8 and 12, 24. 24 is the common denominator between all of the fraction. 24 divided by 4, 6 multiplied by x, 6 times of x, plus 24 divided by 8, 3 multiplied by 3, 9x, minus 24 divided by 12, 2x, or actually because we have minus we take a bracket, 2x plus 12. Then 3x plus 9x, we multiply here minus 2x and plus minus multiplied by plus minus 2 multiplied by 2, 4 over 24. Then 6x plus 9x, 15 minus 2, 13, x minus 4 over 24. This is the simplest form of this fraction. It was very easy. And question part, it was part A. It has also two parts. Part B. Part B, factorize this expression. Write 3x. This part B actually. 3x multiplied by a plus 4y minus ay minus 4y square. First we multiply 3x, we multiply by 8, 3ax plus 3 multiplied by 4, 12xy minus ay minus 4y square. Then we actually group, we take this one with this one groups. Here remain 3ax minus ay and this one. With this one group, make one group, 12xy minus 4y square. Then we take common factor here as a, remain here 3x minus y, and here we have common factor 4. We take 4 as a factor, 12 divided by 4, 3, and also y is common factor, y also take factor, 12 divided by 4, 3, x remain here 3x minus 4 divided by 4, 1, y square divided by y, remain y. Then we take common factor this one, 3x minus y, and remain this group A plus 4y. This is part B. Now we start question number 13. Question number 13. The diagram shows a cylinder with radius r centimeter and height 16 centimeters. A sphere has radius 3 centimeters. The volume of the cylinder is equal to the volume of a sphere. Find the value of r. Here the diagram shows that there is a cylinder with a radius of r and height of 16. The Radius of this actually circle or the base of this cylinder is not clear, but we have formula that for cylinder V is actually pi r square multiplied by h. This for cylinder. This formula is for cylinder, and a sphere has this formula. Value V is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube. This formula to calculate or count the volume of sphere. So we have something here we put instead of them. Pi is, we have both sides. R is not clear in this part, r square. H is 16 centimeter. We write here 16, and in this part we have all of them clear. 4 over 3 pi 4 over 3 pi, but the sphere has radius 3 centimeters. It means here 3 square, 3 cube. So we make equal together. We write here, it means V1 and V2 is equal V1 and V2. I speak Persian a little here. So we can write here pi r square 16 equal to 4 over 3 pi 3 cube. Then we can here directly simplify pi, and also we can write here r square by 1 4 and 4 times of 4 16 4 equal to 3 1 3 and 1 of the here 2. 3 square is 9. Then we divide both sides by 4. R square equal to 9 over 4. Then we take square root from both sides. Here remain R equal to the square root of 9 is 3 and the square root of 4 is 2. 3 divided by 2, 1.5 centimeter. This answer. Actually the radius of the circle, or actually the base of the cylinder, is 1.5. Okay, question number 14 is also a little challenging. Please be careful and be patient. This question is, of course, takes a lot of time. Actually, for this farmers has allocated around 2 hours, but may I solve around 1 hour, because the first part is solved around 20 minutes, 22 minutes. Okay, there is question that A, B, C, D and E lie on a circle. It means A, B, C, D point line on a circle, on the circumference of a circle. If G is a tangent to the circle at C, if G is actually a tangent here, angle BAD is 110 degrees, angle ADB 20 degrees here, and BEC is 45 degrees here, 45 degrees. Find the angle BCD. Give a geometrical reason for your answer. First, we should find the value of BCD. BCD, where is BCD? We should find the value of this actually angle and give reason for that. So let's start. Okay, here we calculate. We have this formula between the inscribed angle and the circumference of the circle, that every angle or circumference, every angle of an inscribed in a circle is half of its opposite arc, or actually this one arc. First we have here 118. We should calculate this part. It means BD. So BD is equal to is equal to 2 times of alpha here. 2 alpha is actually this angle, because given the question 110, then we multiply 220. It means the arc between B and D is 220. So around one point to completely circumference of a circle is 360. Then we can find the angle of which angle is BCD. B where C D. We should find this angle first. We find this actually arc, and after that we can find this value. So the arc of BD actually equal to 360 degrees minus 220 degrees. Here I mean 0 minus 0, 6 minus 2, 4, and 3 minus 2, 1, 160. So the value of this arc is 140 degrees. Then we can find the angle between B, C, and D is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by, it is the opposite arc here, A, B, D actually. Then we have 1 over 2 multiplied by 140. We simplified here, remain 70 degrees. So the complete BCD here, this angle is 70 degrees. Then find the next part. Find DBC. What is DB? Where is DBC? DBC. We should calculate DBC, this angle. How we calculate this one? So I write here, this one BCD is 70. Then we should find the angle of DBC. We should calculate this one. How to calculate this one? DBC. Here we have the complete total. This one we calculate the arc B to D 200, BD 140 degrees. So it's actually BCD we calculate here. This is the left side, 220s. As you know, BC, this arc is actually 2 times of 45. Actually 45, this one is 1 over 2, its opposite circle, BC. This one, then we calculate BC is equal to 2 times of 45, 90 degrees. It means this arc is 90 degrees. Then we find DBC here. DBC, we should calculate up first this arc. Actually DC. DC is equal to completely this side. It means DBC here is 220 minus this side BC. BC is, we calculate 90 degrees. Minus 90. So DC is equal to 0 minus 0, 12 minus 9, 93. And here we mean 180 degrees. Actually, this is the amount of this arc. We should calculate this inscribed angle. DBC is the half of this arc. So we can write here DBC. DBC is actually the half of this opposite arc. 1 over 2 multiplied by 130. So we simplified 1, 2, and 6 times of 6,500. So DBC is equal to 65 degrees. This is part B. I want to write some of them because we need the next short time. I take another color. So now we have DBC is equal DBC here. This arc we write here because we need DBC. The arc DC actually here. We write the amount DC is 100. DC, this arc is 160 degrees. And also we calculate BC is 90 degrees. Here is BC 90 degrees. Other arc also we have D here. We calculate BD 140 BD. This one calculate actually. This one is 140 here. 140 degrees. So I erase this part because we have to erase this part. Then we find DCG. How we can find DCG part 3. Part B, DBC, calculate DCG. Okay, what is DCG here is? Here is DCG. This one we should calculate this. As you know that the angle between a chart and a tangent is equal to the half of its opposite circumference or arc. So we can write here DCG is equal to 1/2. It is circumference AC or arc. So we have 1/2 multiplied by 130. So we simplify 1, 2, and 6 times of 2 is 12, 5 times. So 65 degrees. It means this angle is 65 degrees. So this question is solved. Thank you for watching to this part, and we take a glass of water. After that we solve.